Hello and welcome. If you're useless with maths like me, how would we work out the rotational angle to get petals equidistant around a point? Well, I say petals, but of course it can be applied to any items duplicated and rotated around a point. There is of course power duplicate, but you need to know the rotational angle. But what if you need a larger number, or even worse, an odd number? So what to do? Anyway, this is my preferred solution. Draw the first petal, or whatever, to your required size. Click on Transform Origin to change the axis of rotation, as we want the rotation around the central point and not its own centre. Select your petal and hit Enter. This opens up the Move Duplicate screen. Firstly, take Duplicate, then in the number of copies, we add the total number of petals required minus 1, as we already have one. So in our example, we want 13 in total, so we add 12. Finally, in the rotation box, this is where life becomes easier, as design does the math for you. So as in my case, we want a total of 13 petals, so we input 360 degrees as in the full circle, so 360 divided by 13, and hit OK, and voila. So I hope that helps you as much as it helped me. Thanks for your time.